Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I refreshen my third day hair. So whether it's going to be like second or third day hair, I can just use this same routine, and I want it to be as short but adding as many tips as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below any other videos that you guys would like to see. Make sure to follow me on all my socials. They're gonna be on the screen if you'd like. And thank you guys so much for the support that I have gotten recently. I am very grateful for each and every one of you. And yeah, let's just get started. This is how my third day hair looks like. Very frizzy in the back, and honestly I really didn't try hard while I was sleeping to put it in a scarf or anything like that, but this is how my third day hair is looking. I had it up all day yesterday in a ponytail, but right now what we're gonna be focusing is just fixing this and refreshing these curls. The first thing I'm going to start off is by sectioning my hair in the way that I want to style it today, and today I want a middle part. So I'm going to go ahead and get my comb and just do a middle part. The first thing that I'm going to be starting off with is wetting my hair, and I just got this spray bottle and I just put some water in it. And I'm just gonna start spraying throughout my hair. Since this is like a facial spray, that might take some time, but that's okay. As you guys can see, the back of my hair does tend to get very frizzy, and I'm definitely going to be focusing on that area and not forgetting about the back pieces of my hair. Very time consuming with the little bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the sink and just dampen up my hair because it's just taking a bit too long, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished applying water all over my hair. As you can see, my hair is wet, but it is not soaking wet. This is the way that I personally like to do it. And again, I don't want to apply too many products because the first time I washed my hair, I already had applied my product, so I don't want product buildup, but I still want to add like a little bit of product. The first product that I'm going to start off with is Not Your Mother's Curl Talk. This is the first time I think I've actually used this on my channel. I recently started using this, and this is amazing. Also, it smells really good, and I just truly think that it has helped define the curl pattern that I have, and this is a very affordable product, so definitely guys should check this out. I'm gonna apply about that much, and I'm gonna distribute that throughout my hands, and what I'm gonna do is scrunch. And I'm gonna make sure that I get this all throughout my hair. Definitely you guys can just see, like, you know, with the type of hair that you have, if you need more or less product. As I'm doing this, another thing that I like to do is just grab my t-shirt and scrunch. Another reason why I still like to use this cream when I'm refreshing my curls is that it's very lightweight, and definitely when you're refreshing, you don't want anything that's gonna weigh down your hair. The next product that I'm gonna be talking about is another Not Your Mother's product. This is the Plump for Joy Thickening Hair Lifter, and I actually had gotten these together when there was a sale, and this smells so amazing, and I just really like to add as much volume as possible because sometimes in the root area I just tend, you know, I just need a little bit of volume right here. I just applied a bit to my palms and just distribute that throughout my hands, and now what I'm gonna do is just go like this, and this smells really good. Again, I'm gonna stop for a bit and go in with my t-shirt and scrunch. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is this Aussie Headstrong Volume Mousse. I have recently bought it because I used to use it years ago, and why didn't I buy this sooner? This mousse is really amazing. Definitely, if you guys are looking for a mousse, this is the go-to. I think it's only $4 at Target. And what I'm gonna do is I start with one part of my hair at a time. I'm just gonna grab some. I really like applying mousse, so I like to apply a little bit of a lot, but okay, so I'm just gonna distribute that throughout my hands, and I'm just gonna be scrunching that in my hair. And I feel like this mousse is very lightweight and it doesn't feel like stiff, and it doesn't leave any like whiteness in my hair. This is really good if you also need a little boost of volume. I don't even know if you guys can even notice a difference already. This is the side with the mousse, and then this is the one without the mousse. I think you could already like see a difference. Moving on to the next product, this is the Ouidad Playgirl Amplifying Styling Spray. I had also recently got this, and once I bought it, I'm like, why haven't I tried this sooner? This product is very lightweight. It doesn't make your hair feel like weighed down or stiff. And another thing is that this product smells amazing, which I just love products that like smell amazing. I mean, who doesn't? But what I like to do is, now that my hair is wet, I'm gonna go ahead and spray throughout my hair and scrunch. After I finish diffusing, I like to spray a bit more of this. And right now I'm just gonna spray it throughout my hair. Another thing that you can also do is just spray it on your hands and kind of just like scrunch that. You could do that as well. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my t-shirt and gently scrunch. Now the final step is diffusing, and I have my diffuser with my blow dryer here, and yeah, I'm just gonna start diffusing how I normally would. The way that I like to diffuse my hair is just grab the hair, and then I like to put it in a little diffuser and then just shake it around. Another thing that I like to do is flip my hair downward and just like put the diffuser like how I just put it. Also, I like to flip my hair from side to side just to get the absolute most volume that I can. And again, I only use the diffuser in the cool setting, but in the high, again, you can choose to put on heat, but personally I love the cool setting because I want to limit the amount of heat damage that I'm going to be putting to my hair. Another way that you guys can get more volume in your hair if you had wanted to is just take out the diffuser attachment, and once you take this off with the regular blow dryer, what you can do is just lift the hair and just like blow dry and kind of like go like this just to get a little more volume. That's a little tip for you guys. Okay, now that I am done, I decided not to do the middle part anymore. I'm gonna stick with this, and I'm gonna go again with my Ouidad and just spray that throughout my hair really quick. Also, at times I will like to add hairspray and just kind of like lift up my hair and then add some. That is totally optional. Some people like hairspray, some people don't. Personally, like, I like how my hair looks when I add a bit of hairspray, which I might go get my hairspray. Okay, I just got my hairspray. This is the Chi Chai helmet head, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray throughout my hair. Then you guys can always grab your pick and give it a little lift. Okay, this is the end to this video. I tried to make it as simple as possible and give you guys any tips along the way. I really do hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials if you like. And see you guys in the next one. Bye!